Alphabet sound revision. Letter A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for alligator. A for apron. A for abacus. Letter B. B for ball. B for bat. B for boat. B for button. B for balloon. Letter C. C for cat. C for car. C for cake. C for cow. C for camel. Letter D. D for duck. D for drum. D for dice. D for dog. D for dolphin. Letter E. E for eye. E for ear. E for egg. E for engine. E for eagle. Letter F. F for fish. F for fat. F for frog. F for fox. F for flag. Letter G. G for grapes. G for gift. G for girl. G for guitar. G for giraffe. Letter H. H for house. H for hut. H for hat. H for horse. H for hammer. Letter I. I for ice cream. I for ice. I for ink. I for insect. I for iron. Letter J. J for juice. J for jug. J for jam. J for jeep. J for jacket. Letter K. K for kite. K for key. K for king. K for kiwi. K for kettle. Letter L. L for leg. L for lion. L for lotus. L for lock. L for lemon. Letter M. M for mango. M for milk. M for mat. M for mouse. M for monkey. Letter N. N for nail. N for nurse. N for net. N for needle. N for nose. Letter O. O for owl. O for ox. O for orange. O for onion. O for octopus. Letter P. P for pen. P for pet. P for pot. P for pear. P for pencil. Letter Q. Q for queen. Q for quill. Q for quail. Q for quilt. Q for queue. Letter R. R for rose. R for rain. R for rabbit. R for ring. R for rainbow. Letter S. S for sun. S for ship. S for soap. S for snake. S for sparrow. Letter T. T for tomato. T for tiger. T for teddy. T for tree. T for teeth. Letter U. U for umbrella. U for utensils. U for umpire. U for under. U for uncle. Letter V. V for vegetables. V for violin. V for vulture. V for vase. V for vest. Letter W. W for web. W for well. W for wall. W for watch. W for wheel. Letter X. X for Xmas tree. X for xylophone. X for Xerox. X for Xebec. X for X-ray. Letter Y. Y for yacht. Y for yoga. Y for ear. Y for yellow. Y for York. Letter Z. Z for zebra. Z for zero. Z for zoo. Z for zip. Z for zigzag.